me, okay, get this, Elise Louise. Okay, so I enjoyed looking through your work, and I wanted to point out that it's important to do this. The viewer, who's going to be an art director, wants to see your work flat. And it's fun to see it in the template form, but it's more important to see it flat. So I encourage you to do this throughout. Don't don't do this without this, basically. So kind of can see that. This is a great design and a fun. I don't know if you did anything to that photo. I'm not sure I saw any notes about it. But personally, for me, it's kind of ruined by seeing it sort of flapped over like that. Like, I want to see the two-page spread and I want to know what you did. Did you lay it out or did you also kind of draw on top of the illustration? Because to me, the drawn on part is very creative and I might hire you to do that for me. This was in my class and I gave you a lot of tips about that. I thought this match, fantastic. Design skills, top notch. All of your collateral looks excellent. I thought this logo was really cool, but I didn't know if you did it. Did you do it or did you just put it on stationery? How much of this did you actually do? If you did the logo, I want to see, I'd like to see a bigger version of it because it's super good. This I thought, I wouldn't be surprised to see that in a record store, but what does the front look like? Did you do the front too? This, I think it's a good way to show your type design skills. Not super excited about the washed out photo. It doesn't look intentional. It just looks like the paper might be in the sun too long. I think you need to use a stronger version of it, meaning maybe up the curves, or if it sort of got flattened out because of this template, consider adjusting it further. I think the most important thing to this is the blueprint that you made. Not everybody knows how to do that, so it's important to really show your thought process there. This, I remember you did this, and it's such a good illustration. I don't want to look at it sideways. I think you need to make whatever this is like a quarter of that, and then do more of these illustrations. They're so good, and I think you can make a career out of just doing super cute illustrations like this. I like this in the context. I am curious what you did. Is this a poster? Is this a digital composite? What's going on here? And this two-page spread, the headline is not really clear, and I don't know who you did this for, but you're never supposed to have sentences this long. So I recommend you turn this into 2 columns as well. And like, are these from history? What did you do? So when you do show this again, make sure you discuss what part of this you did. I remember that. Same thoughts. I want to know what your work is. And this is fantastic. Did you do this illustration? I want to see so much more of it. Okay, and the E here makes it look like your name's Etise. Is it? I didn't get that from, no, it's Elise. So you might want to find a different font that doesn't put a T on there. Alrighty, let me know if you have any questions.